This is the 40-pack box of the Donnelly Farms Angus Choice Beef Patties. Just picked this up from Costco. This is what I usually did here. Sam's Club is currently selling these right here. So this is a 12-pack, so I wanted to pick up the 40 count burger patch here. This is what it looks like inside. You see here, it's just basically the burger patties just wrapped in a bag. It doesn't have this fancy packaging, but again, you get 40 of them in here. This is just a really great pickup. I've been using these Donnelly burger patties for quite a while. These are basically pre-cooked patties. You can either microwave them, air fry them, or just throw them in the oven, on the grill, just to heat them up, and they're just fantastic. Everybody likes them. You could get this up and running really quickly here. See the instructions on the back. Gives you the microwave, the skillet, the grill, the air fryer, the conventional oven, everything. Very great meat. This is a really great product. I've been using Donnelly for a long time. We get their grilled patties, the hamburger patties, and this is just a really great pickup here. You can see the box is not going to be really conducive to keeping these in the freezer, so I am going to pre-package this. I'm probably going to package like 4 or 6 of them at a time, so each time we just go in the freezer, just take out however many we need, but this way I'll just keep them safe and secure in the freezer here. But if you're looking for these Donnelly beef patties, the Angus Choice, highly recommend checking these out. Again, I picked these up from Costco. 40-pack, really great pickup here.